Hello, welcome to Simply Linux. Today I'm going to show you around part 2 of my latest build. I'm hoping it's almost ready for release. What I have done is I've made a little testing guide. I've already installed it, but what I want to do is maybe give it a bit more display, shall we? Okay, so we'll just start that off and put that into full screen and let it boot. Okay, it's booted to the club. I've already logged in as Ali, so we'll do that. And as it says, it is, there we go. As I was saying, the splash screen goes off to one corner. And as you can see, I've got the same wallpaper. It's a different wallpaper as the previous video. I've also tidied up a lot of stuff. And we can go down there. We've still got the Mathematics LibreOffice has been updated. PySol is still there. Brave Browser, yep. Pigeon, Rambox and Thunderbird Mail. This is just a quick overview. We've got Amarok, Caffeine, etc, etc. LibreOffice has been updated to 6.3.2. I'm going to have a look, as I only just done it today, so help about. Yeah, 6.3.2.2 is the latest and greatest from them. So I've got Cold Latex front end and KPDF as before. The test media, which will allow you to think, it says can't find a valid because it is not installed. You can use the I'm just trying to think of the name of it. VirtualBox Manager, there we go, to install that. And it's just simple. The program will download and install Oracle VirtualBox non-OSE edition. Do you wish to continue with this installation? If I click yes, it collects me where I want to select the download server, direct from VirtualBox, Oracle Sun or NNLG. I will cancel that because that is not needed. Also under system we have a nifty tool somewhere, pt2 splash, and what that does is you can actually set up your splash, group splash and plymouth splash images, and it will convert them to the PNG file needed. ImageMagick is installed for that very purpose. Under utilities we got the editors, which is Case and Kwrite, and I have Simple Note. Under file we got the archiving tool and the SViewer. Green Envy for those with Nvidia cards. Probably complain or what even boot without one. Oh, it has. And it's just telling me there's a new version. And of course Brave pops open. So let me close that and close that. The instructions for the Broadcom have been updated a little bit. I originally wrote this for Ovenbox, but now it's done for. Trinity. So if you have any of these cards, I've even got the hardware listings here. And yes, I know I could have formatted it better, but meh. A lot of this was a copy and paste actually from Synaptics DKMS. And you will find the Wi-Fi drivers as before in opt. So just go to in opt Wi-Fi, I believe, and they are there. So supposing you do have a I don't know, pick one, Ali. A Broadcom. Broadcom are quite common. So we can go cd opt Wi-Fi drivers, and we can just go apt get install DKMS, and there's the list of all the drivers there, but we want the Broadcom one. And there you go, it's actually building the Broadcom driver. And after this is complete, give it a reboot. Yeah, make OKV bad exit 2, not a problem. But it's still, as long as it builds, we don't care. And I'm hoping it builds, so this is a good test. But mind you, then again, I am on virtual machine, so we'll see what happens. Okay, maybe I should have chosen a smaller one. Install complete. Okay, all you have to do then is reboot it. So I can just letting it reboot, not reboot, sorry. It was active on the kernel actually, but I'm just removing it because it's not needed on the virtual machine. Pointless having it there really. But there you go. I chose not to. That's green with envy, I believe. Could well be. So anyway, I chose not to do any install the guest editions. There we go. On the ISO previously to the build, and I'm a kernel behind, which is absolutely fine, because all we have to do is, if you go to settings repositories, you can add here kernel, which will give you a newer kernel once after you've reloaded, if it wants to reload. Yes, it does. Cool. If I mark new upgrades, you should see 237. Kernel latest been updated and new space headers. Anyway, that can be done post installation, of course, if you wish to do that. So I found the 3.6 to be very stable, which is why I have kept with it on this run. Although I can go back on the other machine and see if I can guess it to work properly without guest editions and etc. to boot with a newer kernel. And if so, I can just release that as an ISO. But for all intents and purposes, this is nearly finished. I'm quite happy with it. And if you do install and you get yourself a new user, there's no real cleaning up to do. Okay, I did show you the resize, and while best installers installed, it's not very helpful with itself, to be honest. There you go. It's now missing its term, but that's okay. As soon as I go Control F, of course, it will resize itself anyway, so not a problem. What else? Doopy-doo, was there anything else I had to tell you? I read on the clock there. I don't read on the TDM screen. Before I just look out. So because these were black and hovered white, I had to reverse them because you couldn't see them against the mountains. By the way, these are the Trinity Mountains for my Trinity desktop. Yes, Trinity Mountains in California, I believe. So there you go. That's why that wallpaper. Okay, anyway, that's enough from me for now. I'm going to do a little bit more work on this. Yeah, I'll see you all soon. Take care and goodbye.